xxcelxx Creations.
What's up, everybody? This is Marcel at xxcelxx, Toronto's best kept secret for your custom everything. And today, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I know I haven't been dropping a lot of videos right now, but I actually do have them on the back burner. They're done, but they're just not edited correctly. So just give me some time on that. But for now, I'm gonna do something really different for you guys. I'm gonna do one of these. Stick tight. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you at the end.
xxcelxx Creations. xxcelxx Creations. xxcelxx Creations. xxcelxx Creations. xxcelxx Excel Creations.
What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, if you want to see how I did the side of my slide, you have to go to my Instagram page. Follow me there. That video is posted and ready to go. You can check it out there. You can follow me on Instagram at this site here. And if you're not following me on YouTube right now, by all means, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, all the nice stuff that helps me make more videos like this. So until then, thanks again for watching. This is Marcel, xxcelxx, Toronto's best kept secret for your custom everything. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.